Good morning, 7th class. Today we are going to revise the topic pronouns. It is the first topic in our English grammar book. So today we are going to revise it. So first of all, we must know that what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used for a noun in place of a noun. For example, in place of my name, I can use I. In place of your name, you can use I. In place of you, in place of your name, I can use you. Or if any boy or girl is there, the third person is there, we can use he, she, or it. So this is called personal pronoun, the pronouns that are used for a person. So the exercise number 1 is based on the personal pronoun, the pronouns that are used in place of a person. Means if any boy is there, then he. If any girl is there, then she. If two are there, then they. In this way we have to use these pronouns. Let us see the first exercise. The mother is telling the girls a story. The girls are carefully listening to the story. The one more thing is there, the pronoun remove the repetition of the noun again and again. Just as see in this first sentence, the girls and the story, these nouns are repeated again and again, so the pronoun remove this repetition also. The mother is telling the girls a story. In place of the girls, what we have written, they are carefully listening to the story. It. Sarla gave Renu a pen. Renu thanked Sarla for the pen. Now again Renu, Sarla and pen are repeated. So what we have used in place of them, let us see. Sarla gave Renu a pen. She thanked her for it. She thanked her for it. Now see the third one. Deepak and Shashi live in Chandigarh. Deepak and Shashi are good students. So Deepak and Shashi, this is noun, and again it is repeated, Deepak and Shashi. So in place of these it will come they. They are good students. I love Raju. Raju and I read in the same class. Raju and I play together. So I love Raju. Raju and we. Raju and I. So in place of Raju and I, we have written we. Read in the same class. We play together. Similarly, third one, my father said to Sudesh and Mahesh, what do Sudesh and Mahesh want? So my father said to Sudesh and Mahesh, what do you want? Now again exercise number 2 is there, and in the same they have to fill here. Fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns. Personal pronoun, as I have told you, that they are used in place of the person. So your tests are drawing near. You must work hard for them. Did I not for it? If tests are there, then them we have to write. The test is 1, then we have written it. Did I not request you to show me your pen? Who is there? It is I. The girl is good. She is happy. The house is mine. It is comfortable. It is difficult to understand her. He has 4 sons. They are very intelligent. It pays to be honest. He is taller than she is. Between you and me, he is a thief. So this is exercise number 2, where we have to fill the personal pronoun. Now come to the third exercise. In this we have to fill the reflexive pronoun. See, in reflexives, when it is singular, then myself, yourself, himself, herself, and when it is plural, then ourselves, yourselves, themselves we have to fill. Reflexive pronoun means self will be there. See the sentences. The two brothers were always quarreling between. Two brothers means plural is there, and for plural we have to write themselves. Now second one, the injured man dragged himself, because the man is one, to the nearby house. Third one, she wants all the good things for herself. Then fourth one, you should not think of dash alone. So here two possibilities may be there. If a person in front is one, then yourself, and if the persons are more, then yourselves. yourselves, yourselves, yourself and yourselves. See the last, beauty belongs to itself. Now see the suitable empty pronoun. In empties also same. When singular, then myself, yourself, himself, herself, and when plural, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves will be there. He went there himself. Then she herself told me this thing. We ourselves shall receive them. They themselves are at fault. It fell down itself. I myself saw a thief. You yourself should buy vegetables. You yourselves should buy vegetables. So two possibilities are there. Then it is interrogative pronoun, means any question is there, who, which, when, where. These are the interrogative pronouns. Who, which, what. So let us see the examples. Who is your friend? Harish is my friend. Who is your father? Whom are you waiting for? Which is your book? What did you do in my absence? Who is your brother? Which is that house? Which is the nearest of the two places? What is that? Who came here? So this is interrogative pronoun. Then in demonstrative pronoun we have to use 4 words, and that is this, that, these, and those. This, that, these, and those. This is my pen and that is yours. These are my books and those are yours. The climate of Shimla is cooler than that of Delhi. The climate of Delhi. So in this way you have to do the exercise of pronoun. And you have to revise up to here today. So exercise number 7. And tomorrow we shall discuss the more exercise.